Hello everyone! In this video, I will walk through the installation, setup, and overall workflow of the Sync Made Easy app inside Salesforce. After installing the app, the first step is Salesforce configuration, where required settings like site URL, remote site settings, authenticated URLs, and certificates are configured. Once the configuration is completed, move to Shopify Store Setup. Here, add your Shopify store details, access token, site URL, preferred price book, and currency. You can also configure object sync settings based on your business requirements. Products and customers are mandatory sync objects, while options like draft orders, collections, locations, and inventory can be enabled or disabled as needed. Sync notification emails can also be added here. After saving the setup, move to Object Setup. Next, we have the Object Setup section where Shopify records are connected with the appropriate Salesforce objects based on your business requirements. The app also allows flexible mapping configurations depending on your Salesforce setup. Next is Field Mapping. Here, Shopify fields are mapped with Salesforce fields. Default mappings are already available, but they can be customized whenever needed. Advanced options like syncing contacts and orders under a single account, custom opportunity stages, and close date configurations are also available. Once the field mapping is completed, proceed to record type configuration. Here, you can assign record types for synced Salesforce records such as products, accounts, contacts, orders, and opportunities. After completing the setup, open the Mapping Overview page to review all configurations before starting the sync. Click Start Sync to begin the synchronization process between Shopify and Salesforce. The app provides real-time sync progress, batch status updates, and detailed reports for monitoring synced records. You can also stop the sync anytime if required. Additionally, Sync Made Easy supports multiple Shopify store connections, allowing you to manage and sync multiple stores from a single Salesforce org. And that's the complete overview of Sync Made Easy. Thanks for watching.